Is it Oyang or yeah? How do you pronounce your last name, by the way? Hi, Chen. How are you? Hi, Chen. Can you hear me? Are you there? I could see you. Oh, you're trying to connect with audio. Oh, let me get some water. Oh, I got water right here. No, let me get this coffee. All right. Where you going, Lewis?
Hi.
Can you hear me? Are you there? I can see you. Oh, you're trying to connect with audio. Oh, let me get some water. Oh, I got water. Oh, let me get this coffee. All right. Where you going, Lewis? I can see you. I'm trying to connect with audio. Oh, let me get some water. Oh, I got water. Oh, let me get this coffee. All right. Where you going, Lewis?
It's Dominic.
Hang in there, Lou. Hey, Chen. You got audio on now?
Do have audio on it. We have to run at about in like half an hour, 40 minutes or so.
You have to do what?
We have to run. We gotta go see a movie.
Oh, nice. What movie are you gonna go see?
I think, what's it called? I think it's called Ticket to not Ocean's 11. It's called Ticket to Paradise, but it's with George Clooney and Julia Roberts. So when we first saw the trailer, we were like, "Oh, they're making another Ocean's movie."
Oh, that was horrible. Sorry. I had my live going, make sure I was live in it. And whew, let's see. So we're I thought it would be fun to do a trail today that I haven't done yet. It's a little project.
He's recording it as live.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm recording live, Patrick, so be careful. Look, I got my I swam with the sharks t-shirt on from the Georgia Aquarium. My buddy took me there for my birthday. Come here, Louie. Come here. Come here, Lou. Come here. Come on. You got to be the mascot. I got my little mascot here wanting to help. Oh, here's Louie, everybody. Louie wants to sit on my lap while we do. Louie's now hanging out with me downstairs now that my wife has a job handling country club emergencies all day.
Look at what I found.
What'd you find? Where is that? Where'd you get that?
Flea market.
Show them the back.
No way. Nice.
It's 100% homemade.
Is it
We
homemade?
can mail it to you.
No way. You should wear it yourself. No way.
Patrick says he wouldn't. He's unwilling to.
I still have some dignity.
I thought you live so remote you don't even get mail. All right. Nice. Very cool. Now it makes me want to grab mine.
Tell him you can't mail him anything until
Are you sure it's
you
homemade?
you owe her a birthday present. She's not mailing you anything until she gets it.
See, it matches his. It's exactly like his.
You have to do it for me. I know.
Wait, I have to buy myself a birthday
Yeah.
present.
Yeah, my wife is like, have you done it? I haven't done it yet, honey. I'm going. She's like, but Chen, I know, working on it. Okay. I'm working on it. So, but
Congratulations.
that actually looks like the Trailhead Blazers that we got at Dreamforce 2019. So is it on the back collar where it says Salesforce
Yeah.
and the front says Trailhead?
Yeah, it's on the back corner and the brand says Elevate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It doesn't say Trailhead Academy?
It does. No, it doesn't say Trailhead Academy. It just says Trailhead.
Okay, because this is the one I got for teaching at Dreamforce 2019.
This is the brand.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a different brand. Nice. I like it though. Elevates our brand message. At SuperUser Academy, we elevate your users into super users.
We saw somebody in a Trailblazer hoodie, and I was like, "Look, he's wearing a Trailblazer hoodie," and Patch was like, "I can't look."
Nerds.
Nerds. Everywhere they're nerds. That's awesome. So, hey, so here's what we're gonna do. I want to just do this. I want to get this one done because I think this is a good app, and I'm working on 500 badges, and I just got my advanced admin. Chen, you got to take your advanced admin cert now.
I know, I feel pressured.
Now, good. Pressure's good. We like pressure. Pressure's good. I think, yeah, it's just, look, Patrick did it. So, Patrick did it. Jenny did it. I know you can do it. I think I have some resources for you that you can use as well. That I use, I'll send them to you. Is that fair?
Okay, I'll have a look. I'll think about it.
That is the putting it in the chat. You can do all of them with that, but I got my login. You can just use it.
That's okay. I have Patrick's login, and he has the advanced admin.
He has that one too?
Yeah,
just take the practice test. That's what I did. I crammed the last week. I gave up the trail and I crammed the last week.
Focus on one.
Yeah.
But I'm doing.
Oh, he doesn't. Oh, he doesn't have advanced admin, so I guess I'll take yours.
It might be in the LastPass already shared with you. If it's not,
okay, I had to create a new LastPass. So
you do what?
So I had to create a new LastPass because I got the last thing you shared with me, but once before that I don't have it either. Well, because I couldn't recover my account.
Well, you're in my family for I had the family edition. You're in my family.
Oh, I think you might have to add my new LastPass email address then.
Well, send it to me so I can do that. And that's
Yeah,
not
I'll
your
send
birthday
it to you.
All right. So let's do this one. It's called Improving Data Quality for a Recruiting App. Louis is going to look at me the whole time, just like this. And he's going to look up at me in amazement, like the students watching. Because I told the students in the the Trailhead Virtual Bootcamp that I would do this live. None of them are watching, but that's okay. Let's just do it. Let me close these guys out. That one out. That one out. Close that one out. Close that out. Close that out. Close that out. All right. So we are going to jump on this bet with. I think it'll take us less than 40 minutes. So let's see if we can get it done in less than that.
Yeah, let's.
So we're going to use values. This is an overview. So we're going to set up formulas and validation rules for an existing recruiting app so users keep their data consistent, create roll-up summary fields, calculate information. What do we know about roll-up summary fields? It's It's got to be a master detail because all of the children are required to have the same parent. Let's see. Build data model. Ooh. I don't know if I can do this now that I'm thinking about it. Like, I don't know that I've completed these two. We'll just see. Why am I not logged in? Come on, man, I'm logged in. I don't know that I've got these completed in my other org. So I may run into a train wreck with this one. Yeah, I didn't realize they had prerequisites. So.
Hey, you're a 4-star ranger. You just need like 35 more badges, and you be an all-star ranger.
I know that they're now giving the ranger status more status. They had to, they had to up the game. So let's see what we got to do. We completed this project on hands-on. Oh, click to launch it started. I suppose. Let's just check this out real quick because I may not have all of this stuff done. What a pain in the butt. Build a data model. So I got to do this first. Well, that's a crappy project that sends you to do 3 other projects.
Yeah, I don't like
And
that.
customize the user interface for a recruiting app. Oh man, this is going to take a lot longer. It's going to be an hour, 2 hours and 20 minutes.
They should just have the data package. You should be able to just import it. Yeah, like the preloads.
Say that again?
Oh, I was like, for the project, they should just have like the data packages that you can preload, just enter the key.
Yeah, I agree. So let's see. This one's not done. And neither is this one. So, oh wow, well, we're not going to do any of these today. Well, we can do one of them, but you got to leave in 30 minutes anyway. How about I have to change my live study hall for SuperUser Academy because I don't think we're going to get these 3 projects done. But in the TVB course, the Trailhead Virtual Bootcamp that I'm teaching, this was a single project to be completed, but what a trickery that they did to the class, that they said, try to do it. Let me see where it's at for this week. It's this for the admin. But so what I'll do, let's just talk about the advanced admin for a minute. Advanced admin was hard. I thought, honestly, Chen, I got done with the test so fast. I not only had time to go back and review all the answers that I had marked for review, but I had a chance to go back and do all the questions again. And in the process of doing that, I changed some answers, and I'm really glad I did. See, they say do this one, but in order to do this improve data quality app, you got to complete these other 2 first. See how they say the instruction is to just do that one?
Yeah.
And of course, that's today's and that's for tomorrow. But now you got to actually do 3 or 4 of them, and none of mine are done. So I got 3 projects to do. So anyway, so for the advanced admin, it was a lot of territories, a lot of but I got to tell you, taking the practice test, whenever the answer was, whenever one of the answers was flow, I just chose flow. Like whatever the question was, if flow alone was one of the answers, I just did flow. Because that's what Salesforce wants you to do, because they're deprecating flow. I mean, they're deprecating in the new winter 23, you can't you can't create a new workflow rule. It's been disabled. Coming up, the next one is so. Wow.
I think Patrick
Well-
has, I think we found another 140 off in examination code.
We'll put that
Yeah.
in the chat on the YouTubes.
Yeah, well, I have to find it again. It's, hold on, maybe, hold on. maybe I
I'll
have
put
it.
that chat in the Zoom chat. You know how to get here. We're live
Yeah, let me
streaming.
see if I can find it. It's been shared quite a lot, actually.
Yeah, a lot of people do that. I want to use it. I gotta. I'm studying for Experience Cloud right now. Ugh, what a pain. What a complex monster Experience Cloud is.
Yeah,
And it's
but
not
I guess
even-
that's probably why they marked it as optional.
What's that?
That's probably why they marked it as optional.
Why the what is? I can't. Your
They marked in your virtual boot camp. They marked this project as optional.
studying for Experience Cloud right now. Oh yeah, absolutely. It's totally why it's optional, because it's a lie. It is only 40 minutes for this one, but it's a lie because it says 40 minutes, but you got to create all of these other ones, 2 hours plus the 40 minutes. So I don't know. You want to go for it? See if we can knock it out.
Oops. What? Oh, you can
We
start. We can start.
Yeah, let's
I'm just
start.
gonna type
Let's
out
just do
the.
it.
I'm gonna type out the coupon
Now-
codes in my chat.
Now, I'm not going to go through all of the learning objectives. I'm going straight to the challenge. Oh, wait, there is an unmanaged package to install. All right. So you can do this. Let me go to my, oops, that's not right. That's my wrong one. What happened to my, there you
Okay,
go.
I put the two codes in the. I think one you've already used. I don't know which one. Just see which one doesn't work. But
Put it on the YouTube chat. Oh, I'll put it on the YouTube chat. All right.
okay. Can do that.
No, it's all right. I was going to let you do it because there'll be somebody else watching then. Playground starter.
Code in the. I think one you've already used. I don't know which one. Just see which one doesn't work. But, put it on the YouTube chat.
I can't hear you. The sound is garbled. Oh, you're listening to the, yeah. You see how you sound? Can you hear how you
Yeah.
sound?
Yeah, yeah. It's always a little bit striking.
Echo,
to
it's
hear
got a little
yourself.
echo.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's got a
yeah.
little
Also,
echo.
it's echoing. Yeah, we got furniture. Yeah, I don't know why it's still so echoing.
All right. You're growing up.
Oh, we still don't have a couch, so.
It always takes a while to get a couch. I'm waiting for, my wife bought us 2 chairs, cushy chairs for our basement, which is right outside my office, but I don't like it because they're not comfortable. So like, I'm over that. I want a comfortable one.
Yeah, we found a really comfortable couch. I think we're gonna get it. It's like it's a 3-person couch and 2 sides of it are recliners on top. Like so it's 2.
Nice.
It's reclining, like it's 2 personal recliners in the couch.
Brilliant. You're a good woman. Any woman that allows that in her house is a good woman. My wife doesn't like those at all. She doesn't like them at all. I'm like, come on, honey. All right, we're going to create a custom object. All right. So I'm just going into the exercise. My package isn't installed yet, I don't think. Oh, it is done. Sweet. Good timing. So now I'm going to Object Manager. create a new object. They do ask about the automatic creator.
Okay.
What happened there, buddy? Wow, my internet's not liking any of this that's happening right now. Quit Slack. The label, the object name is reviews. Record name is review number. Auto number. So the key here is to have not put anything in there. So we want to allow reports. I'm going to duplicate this tab and I'm going to grab this bad boy and put it over here because it doesn't need to be anywhere else where I can see it. All right. I got the object created, I hope. Come on, buddy. So we want to allow reports. Track field history. I want it to be deployed. Allow search. Add notes and attachments. Hit save. We'll create a tab for it later. Then I got to verify. Oh, this is one of those that you verify the step at 100 points each. Blah. Hate that.
That's all projects. All the projects do that.
So did you see that I applied for a job yesterday?
I did not. I didn't pay attention to that. What job did you apply to?
It's an implementation dude. That's the official title that I want. Implementation dude. Because I want to learn from a company that has me doing nothing but implementations all day. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because at that last company we worked at, they had a process, but I never got to use it. So I was like, well, what good is that? I'm not learning nothing.
Yeah.
So you didn't put it on the YouTube chat yet? You haven't gone to the YouTube channel?
No, I haven't. I didn't put it on the YouTube chat. I figured you want. Oh yeah, I'll put it on the YouTube chat. I thought you were gonna do it.
I'll do it.
No,
I just wanted somebody else.
I'm already here.
Oh yeah, I can't do it anyway.
Yeah.
You haven't put it on the YouTube chat yet. You haven't gone to the YouTube channel.
No, I haven't. I put it on the YouTube chat. I figured you want. I thought you were gonna do it.
Yeah, I want something.
You put it in. There you go. Yeah, I saw that too. Let me remove that. I'll remove the one. Yay, I can do that. All right. All right, let me get back to work. So now I got to find. All right. All right. Create the job posting site object. So we're going to create another object called job posting site. So that's what we did. We did the first one for review. I passed. I got to create the next one for job posting. You know what we should do? We should do this in Schema Builder. We should show people how to use Schema Builder to do this. So if we create, let's check this out. Let's see how clear all elements. I'm going to call this one job posting site. Starts with a consonant. Data type is all. Site name. Data type is text. Allow reports. Track field history. Deployed. Add Google Docs, notes, attachments, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to worry about the wizard. Nice. Oh, but that's so funny. In this one, they wanted me to launch the wizard, right? They wanted me to launch the wizard in this one, and I chose it to do it in Schema Builder. Oh, but I can do it anyway. Just create it in the wizard. You don't need the wizard. So we go to tabs. Remember, there's 5 kinds of tabs. Job posting site. It doesn't, I don't think it matters which one you pick, but I'm picking the one they tell me.
Why would they tell you which one to pick and then pick the one they tell you?
I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Wait, what? Leave the profile as is. Okay. And then so we're not putting it in an app. All right. So there it is. There's our job posting sites. All right. Now we got to go back and add some fields. Where's my? Oh. It didn't need the. It didn't know the plural label. So should I use Schema Builder? No, I'm not. I'm just going to do it the hard way. I'm going to do a URL field. So I monetized my site and my traffic cut by 1/3. Well, it cut in half. Isn't that fun?
Really?
It's all right. I'm not really doing a whole lot yet with it, but we're going to do some more stuff with it.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to get it squared away eventually. You hear the snoring?
Is that Pearl?
That's Louis.
Oh, that's Louis.
You didn't see him?
No, well, I saw him.
Pearl's all white in her face. He's
Okay.
he's the typical Boston Terrier.
Is he on your lap?
Yep. Yep.
You should make that your thumbnail.
I'll show you.
Louis and I tackle Salesforce project.
Let's see. Can you see it? Can you see him? I got the blur.
It's not really.
See?
I see him. I see him. Yeah.
There he is, just all laid out, just snoring away. Now let me
It's
blur
like our
my.
neighbor's dog, Joe. He likes to come over and come lie on our couch. And then he likes it when you're there, like you're on the couch. So, and you like put his head on you, and then he starts snoring. And if you move, you open an eye. So he doesn't want to leave me out.
So, let's see. All right, I think that's good. I got a new camera based on a buddy of mine. Should have let him do it. All right, let's do this. So now, all right, next one is technical site. Are you doing? You're not doing this, are you?
No, I'm just watching you.
Now, Jenny B hates tech boxes, and I kind of get it. I kind of get it. They're kind of okay, but they also, they don't give you a lot of information.
No.
Because,
And
you could, hit the checkbox, but there's no context with it. So you just don't know, are you sure? Is it checked because they did it? Or is it checked because something else,
yeah, I think it's if there's one or two on page layout, it's fine. When there's a
There's
lot.
what?
When there's like one or two, it's fine. But when there's a lot, it could be.
Yeah, it doesn't serve the users well, though, especially the way it lays out in Lightning. It doesn't lay out as well.
It takes up a lot of space because it takes
Take up a
the
lot of
same amount
space.
of space. Yeah.
I'd rather have a pick list value that said yes, no, I don't know, maybe, didn't check,
Yeah.
I'm a jerk. All right, those kind of things. All right, now we're going to create a new one. It's going to be a junction object. Why is it a junction object? Object name. Why is it a junction object? When we create this, it'll be a junction object. What will make it a junction object is the question.
Wow. The relationships.
There'll be two master detail relationships on it. The first one you add is the primary master detail. And here, snoring. And the second one will be the secondary one. The primary one determines the ownership and the sharing settings. Field label. This is really simple, not a lot of explanation in this project. Just get her done and then do another one. Now this will be the secondary one, which does not control visibility and sharing, but it is, job posting site. So I've been watching The Anarchist on HBO.
Okay.
And Anarchapulco, or a bunch of knuckleheads that start out as anarchists and then turn into cryptocurrency nuts. They're Cryptopulco, and then somebody got killed, and then the whole thing got whacked out. It's funny. It's funny.
It doesn't sound very funny.
I'm not finished it yet, but just drug dealing hippies messed around. Let's see.
We watched the Mr. Bean movie.
Who?
Bean, the movie.
Mr. Bean?
Yeah, it's the movie. Like there's a 1997 movie where he comes.
That is a 1995 movie. It is a 19 something. I know. Yeah, that one's interesting.
Yeah.
So let's see, job postings, status, and technical site. Oh, there's my browser being a whacker. And then we'll hit save. All right, so we added the related list. Now we need to add fields to the position related list on the job posting site page layout. So the job posting site. So now we're adding the children. Can you hear a snore?
No, not really.
We'll get there.
I can't smell over the world.
What's that?
I can't hear him snoring because my laptop is the fan.
Job postings, the gear. What? Position, status, position, title. All right, so now we could just check it out, see if this works. Create a new position. Super sales rep. Department is sales. Approval status approved. Location is us. Hiring manager. Nope. No hiring manager. So tonight's wing night at the club.
Wing night.
Very excited. Very excited. And it's poker night.
Wow.
All right. Click the pencil icon at the top right of the screen, click add more items. What? Click the pencil item. Oh. Oh, I see. They want me to add the job posting. Job posting sites. Add one nav item. Save. Oh. New. So I want lots of jobs. Lots of jobs.com. Click save. Verify to earn 100 steps. How fast are we getting it done? Y'all got to go see a movie soon, don't you?
Yeah, I gotta run. Let's see how this.
Let's run.
Let's see how.
Well, thank you for the codes. Everybody else should thank Chen for the codes that she posted. And look at that. And then I'm going to tackle the next steps. If you got to go, it's fine. I'm going to finish this first one.
Okay, thanks. Have fun.
I will. Whoops.
Are you having sessions next week?
Yeah, let's do. What do you want to work? What do you want to work on next week?
Well, it's up to you. We can do. I mean, I think there's a new security super badge. Can we work on one of those?
We could. It sounds.
Yeah.
fun. Here you go,
Well, yeah,
Louis.
I think people will watch because now the security is super bad. Now there's a prerequisite.
Does it?
Maybe Patrick says don't do it, or we're gonna get flagged.
What? Why do you say not do it?
He said we'll get flagged for doing the super badge.
Super badges?
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta change my videos, my super badge videos that I've got out on my channel. That's what draws all the traffic. But I'll get there. We'll do some real content.
Yeah, we can do some more. We can do more of this. We can do more projects.
Yeah, I like the projects. The projects are good. Super badges, I think we can wait, and then we could do. I want to do an instructional video for the super badges.
Okay.
But not giving it away, but have it be good because I got somebody who's competing with me. He does an okay job.
I
Not as
think
good as me.
I think there's some projects relating to Slack. That could be interesting since there's such a strong push for Slack.
I got you guys a login to that Slack training.
Okay.
Did y'all see that email with the information on how to download it?
Yeah,
to
I saw it. I saw it. Yeah. Okay.
Good.
We gotta run.
All right.
Do we wake Louis up?
What's that?
Do we wake Louis up?
We did. Look at him though. Look at him.
Yeah, he's looking
He's just
up at
sitting
me.
there.
He's like, "Where's my treat?"
He wants a treat. He's get a treat later.
He's like, "Where's my treat now?"
Wait.
All right.
Oh.
I'll see you later.
All right. You guys have a good one.
You too. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye. I'm going to finish this up on the related position. you doing? Don't chew on that. All right, little buddy. All right, so here we go. So I'm not talking. I should be talking, right? So the next thing we got to do is I gotta refresh this because I gotta pull this in. We give it another try. Hey, no chewing, no buddy. So all right, so look, doing these live sessions, I really hope that one day you guys are watching on here. But this, we got some training available that's really actual training. So make sure that you come and check those out as well. We're going to do another super sales rep. Awesome sales rep, department sales, location US, related position, super sales rep, approval status, approved, job description. It's going to be the Western team, right? And then we go from there. Now that should verify. I'm on. Now it is. That one should be verified. Yep, look at that. I'm gonna do the last one and then I'm gonna go. Oh, no. All right, so the next one we got to do is, last one is create some custom recruiting fields. We'll call this core competencies. So we are in, what object are we in? Review object. From the review object. So I take these live sessions and then I edit them and I put them in my training portal. So you don't have to do all the waiting, all the chit chat is going, but this is YouTube live, it's free. So watch them if you want. If you want to pay a little bit to join the academy, we do have some offers available. I've got to tell you, great offers. The best offer I got is at Salesforce certification.deals and $19 because I really want to find new really want to find some new consultants to come work with us. So we're doing this training to make you a better consultant because that's what we want. And values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put some help text in there. Stop it, Louie. As if you didn't know. Now, why you got to say that is because, a one in the band world, in the world of bands, music, that is, one is the best. 5 is the worst. But here, now, this should actually be a global pick list value set, right? Shouldn't it? Shouldn't it? Oh, man. Let's go back and do that. Let's promote it. Let's go do that. So core competencies, I'm going to promote it. Why? I'm going to promote, let's see, how do I do reorder? Nope. Do it. Yeah, promote the global value set. 1, 2, 5. Rating scale. You're adorable. Take out all the Louis comments. Louis right here. Look, see him? You see him? There he is. Look at that. There's Louis. There's a little face. He just wants to come up and chat with me. All right. So now I've got a global value set. Now I create those. And now if I go to a more reasonable system, like, 1 to 10 or 0 to 10, I have a global value pick list set that I can use. And then last but not leastly, oh, this would be so good. Look at that, easy peasy. We're going to create a custom text field, text area. Louis even learning, huh, Louis? Oh boy, I should have put this in a spreadsheet. Yes, I should have. Leadership skills comments. I could have used the automatic maker. I haven't used it in a while. But if you want to be a consultant, these are things you gotta learn how to do. All right, we're gonna do another checkbox. I'll recommend for hire. Not a good. Go back. Got to add that help text, right? That's what you're looking for. So you recommend for hire, see where I'm at? Like, what I think is funny about Trailhead is they're making this to be a really good bad app. Like, this is great, but why don't you just download an app from the App Store? Reason recommended. Next, save and new. I'll create a lookup, right? I mean, we're doing all this work, create this recruiting app. Nobody's doing this. Nobody's using this app for recruiting. Are they? Or if you're using this app for recruiting, let me know. Interviewer. And like I think there's better ones. Pre-built, all this stuff's in it. I mean, it's a good app, I guess. But there's no automation to it. Got a lot left to go. There's a lot left to go. All right, now I'm going to take and I'm going to verify my last step. And then I'll be done with this project in under an hour. Said an hour and 50 minutes. Voila! Let's see if it's done. Woohoo! All right, now we can do the next one. Customize the user interface. So this one is Create a reviews tab. I think I already did that. I think I did it already. Don't have reviews tab. All right. Review. We are going to pick the thermometer because that's what they tell us to pick. Right, Lewis? Leave all that stuff on. Take the tab off. Perfect. I'm going to go to App Manager. This is where we'll edit the recruiting app. For the Lightning experience. Hope you're getting all this, right? This is simple stuff. Once you do it a million times. Here's my navigation items. So I'm going to want my job posting, sites, my reviews. One home, positions, candidates, job applications, interviewers, reviews, reports, dashboards, chatter. What about job posting sites? Oh, job posting sites next to reviews. Like I saw it, then I missed it. And done. Buenos noches. Save, we'll go back. And we'll verify the step. All right, now we're going to create a quick action. I know it's verified because it said so on the screen. What? What do you mean it's been completed? It's not been completed. Just me doing some stuff. All right, so we're going to create some quick actions. So we are going to go to candidate. What do you think, Louis? How long do you think we ought to go? Going to knock it out. Buttons, links, and actions. Remember, buttons, links, and actions are all part of automation. Create a new action. It's going to be a create a record type. The target object is going to be job application. Standard label is going to be new. Oh, record label type. Standard label type. Oh, I'm not going to use standard label type. We're going to do new New job app. I'm going to click save. That's all I got to do. All right. So status. I want that over here. All right. So wait a minute. Now what the hell? All right, I hit save. Now that's one predefined values. It's going to be stage. New. Hit save. And then back to our page layout, our candidate layout. Go to our mobile and lightning actions. New job app. Now I can't drop it. Why? Because I got to hit that gear first. And click save. Oh, they want it after post. So hang on. Do it matter? I don't know, but I like following instructions because it's a new thing for me. After post. There we go. So that's just in case. Maybe they're checking. I don't know. Now we can check it. All my candidates. New candidate. 8675309. Currently employed. Blah, blah. Save. Yeah, Lou, you're just standing there. You know that, right, buddy? New job app. Grab my position. Awesome sales rep. Now my job applications. There's app 000. What? Wait a minute. All right, I guess it's done. The first one is 000. Let's verify the step. Next thing I'm going to do is customize the review page layout. That's what I'm looking at already. La, 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 la. All right, so we're going to go to page layout for the review. We're going to add a new section, core competencies with one column. Put that under there. One column. So I want core competencies. How many comments? All right. Have a new section. Leadership skills. A new section. Experience. It's my guess. All right, let me hit save. Let's hit the challenge. Verify to earn 100 points. And then we'll customize the candidate record page. Yeah, see, why would you do all this? Well, I'll just give it to you. When I finish all this, I'll just load it up in a package. You can have it. How about that? Email me, sign up, become one of my students. Look at all the cool things we'll do. Oh, recommendations. Oh, recommendation section. Was that in this one? Did I miss one? Did miss one. Oh, and make them required too. All right, one more section. It's so not elegant. I mean, I get what it does. But is it elegant? Beautiful? So now we also have to make some things required on the page layout. It's like core competencies, leadership skills, and experience fields. And they make them required. So we got to do experience. Without control. Make them required. Hit save. And just remember that when Trailhead, reviews error messages, it does them down the page, right? It's got a list it goes through and it figures out which one's correct or not. All right, now we're going to do the candidate record page. So we're going to add a lightning component. So what are we going to do now? We're going to go candidates tab, new candidate. Let's see if there it is. I did it. It worked. I just have another window open over here. I'm going to go let's see if I can finish this out though. New candidate. Bob Donovan. How do you got to fill this in manually? Oh. So here's how we're going to edit a page. We can edit this lightning page. And it clones the default record page for the candidate object. Lightning app builder, candidate record page. Default page is now created. So now you'll see we got a lightning record page, which wasn't there before, right? As soon as we hit save over here, it will be. So it automatically creates that lightning record page for you when you do edit page. All right, so recent items. That's what we want. All right, we're going to save it. Activate it. Assign as org default for both desktop and phone. This means we're not creating one special for mobile, right? And then we can go back. I like to hit save again, just to be safe. No reason not to be safe. But now look, when I now go to my, right, my Lightning record page, when I hit refresh, it'll be there. Look at that. See, create it for me. Now I'll go to my, now the next thing I'm going to do is create a custom candidate compact layout. And that controls which fields appear in the highlights panel on the component record page. We're going to click new. And we're going to label it. Includes candidate name, because that's the name we want. And I want candidate number, first name, last name, and any other fields that make sense. But again, so that's now when we go to view our candidate record, there'll be more than just the candidate number up there. So we can now verify the step to earn 100 points. And we'll be able to create record types. Huzzah! All right. So the first thing we got to do, according to this, got to create some profiles. We need a recruiter, a technical recruiter profile. So I'm sure we're going to go back here. Users, it's always under the user section of administration profiles. Oh, we're going to clone the standard recruiter. My goodness. What? Standard user. Recruiter technical. I'm going to clone it. So now we got two different profiles, which means we're going to create some record types. But we had to create the profiles first. So now we can go by our position. It's clearly going to be two different types of people that have that profile. They're going to be able to create them. Why do I can just create these? Because these are not one of the three standard options. It needs a process first, right? I'm going to call this technical position. We give it a description to tell ourselves in the future what it is. I only want to make it available to the recruiter, technical, and me, the system admin. We want the save. We're going to edit next to department. And we're going to take out everything but IT and engineering. And we're going to create a new record type. Make it active. Of course, recruiter, non-technical. Did we lose it? What did we lose? There we're back. And next department, we're going to take out the engineering and IT. No default. I'm going to add it to the page layout. And edit our page layouts. I'm going to add that record type field. Just below the department field. This is what they say they want. And we're good. We'll verify the step. And we'll customize the position layout. Are we? We're going to create new fields on the position layout. All right. Create a new field. Yeah, that one's going to be done. Uh-oh. That misspelled profile name got me. Click on my R. La, 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 la. Now we're going to create some fields on the position object. That's what's happening next. Voila, not there. Go to position object. We're going to go to fields and relationships. We're going to create new fields. This one's going to be a pick list. It's going to be called operating systems. We'll enter the values. I'm just copying and pasting these from voila. See that? I'm going to make it next. Remember, next is going to be, I need a description or anything. We're not doing that. You know, normally you would, right? And then I want it invisible to just the technical recruiter and me, the system administrator. Create another one that says programming languages. It's another pick list field. And enter the values. La, 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 la. And technical. This is how fast you'll get with this stuff. I swear. All right, we're done with that. Now we can fix the page layouts. What does it want me to do? So we're going to create a new page layout. Based on the position layout. have a new section. Position detail. There. It was the same right place. Now we can do our page layout assignment. In case you're wondering, this is what I went through. Now we're going to edit the assignment. We are going to do custom recruiter. Oh. Technical position layout. Do the same thing for us, the system administrator. Whoops. All right. So now we've got, right? We assign the technical profile and the system administrator the technical position layout. We can verify that step and then move on. Page layout, the position. This one we just did customize the position layout. Now we can enable chatter on the review object. And type in feed tracking. This feed tracking is where you post all of the changes to up to 20 fields on the chatter feed, right? So we want to go to our review, enable feed tracking, core competencies, experience, interviewer, leadership skills, reason recommended, recommended for hire. No comments, job application, click save. All right, that's it. So feed tracking tracks those changes to post them to chatter. So those people that are following that record will get it. But hey, it does not here's my new badge. All right, now finally, class, we can create what we need for our final project. Create our cross object formula. Yep. Let me do that. Put it over here. All right. Wow, we had to do all that for the last hour and 20 minutes. Really an hour and 10 because we're goofing off. It's like an hour and 10 to do 2 hours worth of work. So it's pretty good. Again, you'll see edited videos of this in our training thing. So we're going to go to the review object. So I'm going to jump in and just create a cross object formula. Seeing that review name on the review, it's what a crazy way to look at a candidate name as a number. So on our review object, We're going to create a new field. It's a formula to display the candidate name as a text field, right? And our formula is going to read, and really this is just one of those you could just copy and paste and post it in there. So if you're not good at formulas, it's okay. So we're going to, in the advanced formula field, you have to go in and insert the field. So I'm going to replace this, right, by doing it for you so you can see. So from my review, I go to my job application, and I want the candidate, and I need their first name, and I need their last name. Where they live, where your fields live. And then I have to put in a concatenate with a little space. So that's how I built that formula out, right? I just copied and pasted it from there, but just make sure it looks like that. And that's how you find those fields, and rewind the video if you need to see it again. I'm not even going to check my syntax because I don't believe in tax on liquor and cigarettes. So let's see, all profiles are selected. I'm going to add it to our view layout. I'm going to click Save and New. And then I'm going to do position title. Formula. Position title. It's going to be text. So I'm going to put in there from the review, I want the job application. And I want the job application name field. That's the field I'm going for. So that's it. Make sure it's visible. Why are they read only? Because they're formulas. Save. So now we go to our review page layout because we added the field, but we want to make it pretty, right? So we're going to create a section because they need sections like crazy. It's going to be position candidate. Yeah, 2-column. And I'm going to grab my position name and my candidate name. I'm going to hit save, and I can verify the step. All right, so you guys got it, right? You guys got it. So got it, man. And then we're going to create a validation rule. The next step. So we get our good data in. We do this on the position object. There it is down there at the bottom. Uh-oh. Couldn't find correct form for position title in review object. What? Position title. What was it they couldn't find? I'll bet you I missed it. Did I create that field? I didn't create that field. I skipped it. Welcome to my world. What did I do? Not even doing that. I'm just going to find it. Position. Job application. Job application. Wait a minute. I need to be on the review object. Oh, I'm in the wrong object. No wonder it didn't work. View object. Position title. We did that one. We gotta go position, and then name. I put in there before. So why can't I insert it? Job application. View. Job application. Position. Where's the name field? I don't see it. Oh, title. Did we do that? Did we call it title? Says name. That ain't right. Oh, I know what it is. Oh. See that position or name title. So when I did that, insert field, job application, position, I forgot that the name that we call it is title. But there it is. Name. Yeah. What a bastard. All right. Well, I got it. Now we're creating a validation rule. And I got to create a formula rule of summary field. Then I'm going to dinner. And then again, all of these live videos get chopped up and edited, put in our training. So if you want like crisp training back with instructions and everything built, join our SuperUser Academy where we store all these in a much better format. We take this, edit it. This is free. We kind of clean it up, give you some resources, some other instructions, and then we go from there. All right. So now we're going to go our position and our validation rules. All right. Validation rule number 1. Every position must have a hiring manager. That's what we're going to call it. Make sure it's active. And then what we look for is blank. And profile name does not equal system admin. So I can do it. Nobody else can. And that's awesome. And I love copying and pasting formulas because, you know, it's the best way to do it. And we want this at the field, hiring manager. So it guides and directs them right where they're at. All right. Okay. Now we're going to create another custom object. That's the first rule. Huh. Call it zip code. Zip codes. Object name is zip code. The record name is zip code. It's going to be text. I'm going to allow reports. Click save. I'm going to add a field to zip code object. It's going to be text field. I'll label it state. 2 is our length, 2-digit. We're going to make this visible to just the recruiters, technical, non-technical, of course, system admin. Let's save and new. Have another text field. Horrible, horrible. There's a table already exists for this. Got to build it ourselves. Why would you build things? Make it 80. Remember field level security. Control the field or the profile of the object. Go back, create a tab for zip codes. I can just upload a list of them. There's a list. Zip code. All right. Now we're back in our recruiting app. Add more items. I'm going to add the zip code. Such a dumb. Save. Now, zip codes. I can't save it in Salesforce Classic. Huh. There's already a table of these. They already exist. Huh. Why would you do all this? Here. See, their list already exists. Crazy. Okay. Send up another validation rule on the candidate. We're going to do a new rule. Look, it's the rule right now, right? This dumb object. All right. Close that. Put in my description. Boy, oh boy. I do not. I'm glad there's a copy function on this formula. Look at that. Oops. Close tab. There's a copy function. See? Just copy it. Copy. Don't forget to copy. Error message it. This is active. Is my active? Yes, I activated. All right. Let's see what's next. All right, that's it. We're going to verify our step. And the last thing we're going to do is create a formula and roll up summary fields. All right, we're going to go here. We're going to our review object. You know, here's what's great about Trailhead. It gives you all the instructions. You know what's horrible about Trailhead? Life doesn't have any instructions. Sometimes you got to go to Trailhead to figure out what you got to do. So now we're going to create a formula field. It shows us our overall review score. And you're like, why are you already started? Have you validated? I'm getting there, man. And it's going to be a number. Yeah. Voila. See, I already did it. All right. I'm doing what I love to do in formulas is copy and paste. That is the best training ever. So what are you doing? The value of the text, core competencies, plus the value of the text of experience with the value of the text leadership skills, plus if recommended for hire, check, make 5, otherwise 0, divided by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Next. Next. Save and new. Total review score. Whoops, did I do a number of reviews? Oh no, next one is number of reviews. I want to roll them up. What? Why can't I do a roll up summary? Oh, got to change object. Job application. That's why I can't do it. Roll them up. You got to have a detail object. Number of reviews. Notice there's no average. I want to count. Can't do an average. All records in the calculation. Do one more roll-up summary field. What you talking about, Willis? Number of review. Did I get it? Did not get it. Didn't do it. Number of reviews. Might have moved too fast for it. Reviews, count, next. Next. Save a new. It's going to do it. Yay. Another row of summary. This one's going to be my total review score. It's going to be total review score exists. Total review score exists. Oh, I did the wrong one. All right, so where's my number of views, count on reviews, total review score, sum of review, yes. Average review score. Now this is where I got to create a formula. Why? Now I have those two roll-up summaries. Now I can create a formula. Average review score can be a number. Can now use those two. And again, look at this, how awesome it is. Trailhead, you're doing so awesome. So this was going to be average review score. Bam, 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 bam. And then I want a review indicator. So this is going to be an image field that shows me an image of what my review is. And again, it's awesome because this is going to be a text field, but the text is going to show a GIF. Why? Because that's what it do. So I'm just going to cut and paste that thing. So if average review score is 3.5, image is going to be green. Hey, look at that. If average, yellow, else no review, right? So 3.5, green, greater than 2.5, image is going to be yellow, greater than 0. It's red, otherwise it says no reviews. Check syntax, it's going to be good because I copied and pasted it. Woo! Go to the page layouts of a job application. A job application layout. Add a new section. Candidate rating, one column. Number of reviews, total review score, average review score, and my review indicator. Now hit save. And then I can verify that last step. And voila. So is that on the job application? See? I might put that in the compact layout, right? And like, why not put that in the compact layout? You know what I'm saying? Woohoo, 3 new badges to get all that done. Well, there you go, folks. There it is, live. I'm going to help Marivis vets and their families become certified administrators. Thank you for joining me on my channel. I know probably if you're watching this, look, remember, like, subscribe, share, and these live sessions are what we use to create videos in our training platform. It's much more crisp, much more direct, comes with the instructions. Everything is built out for you, much better. So pay the $20 right now. I think it's on sale, whatever the price is. Join us at superuseracademy.com. Schedule some time with me. Help me elevate your staff from users to super users, even if they don't become certified. It'll really help your company out, lower your support costs, improve your efficiency, your productivity, and your user engagement, because you'll have people who actually know your business that actually know Salesforce. Isn't that a great combination? Isn't that what you really want anyway, is users that know your business and Salesforce? Why are you building Salesforce with people who don't know your business? And why are you letting people who don't know Salesforce build out Salesforce if they don't know Salesforce? Cut it out. Thanks, everybody. Swim with the sharks. Don't get eaten. We'll talk to you soon. Why is my hand up? I don't want my hand up. There we go. It's taking forever for my computer to respond. So wants to be a new computer. Bye, everybody. Make it a great day.